In a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a boy named Tommy. Tommy's days were filled with simple joys, but as Christmas approached, he couldn't help but feel a tinge of sadness. His family faced financial struggles, and the thought of not having any presents weighed heavily on his young heart. One chilly evening, as Tommy gazed at the stars through his frosty window, he whispered a hopeful wish: "I wish for a miracle this Christmas, not for myself, but for my family." Determined to make a difference, Tommy decided to spread kindness throughout the village. He bundled up in his worn-out coat, grabbed a bag of homemade cookies, and set out to share warmth and joy with his neighbors. First, he visited Mrs. Johnson, an elderly woman living alone. Tommy offered her a batch of freshly baked cookies, and the twinkle in her eyes was the best reward. They chatted about cherished memories, and Tommy's heart swelled with happiness. Next, he went to the village square and noticed a group of children playing without proper winter gear. With a generous spirit, Tommy shared his extra scarves and mittens, ensuring that everyone felt the warmth of compassion. As Tommy continued his acts of kindness, the village buzzed with a newfound sense of unity and joy. Word of Tommy's selfless deeds reached the community, and even those who were more fortunate began to join in, offering help to those in need. On Christmas Eve, as Tommy sat by the fireplace, he couldn't help but feel a sense of fulfillment. The village had transformed into a haven of kindness, and the spirit of Christmas was alive in every heart. That magical night, a knock on the door interrupted Tommy's reflections. To his astonishment, the villagers had gathered, each holding a small wrapped gift for him and his family. Their gratitude for Tommy's kindness was expressed through these heartfelt presents. Touched by the generosity of his neighbors, Tommy opened the gifts with his family. The room filled with laughter and gratitude, as each package held a token of love from the villagers. As Tommy cuddled up with his family that night, he realized that the true magic of Christmas wasn't found in the number of presents under the tree, but in the kindness, love, and unity that filled their humble home. From that Christmas forward, the village continued to cherish the spirit of giving and kindness, making Tommy's story a cherished tale passed down from generation to generation, a reminder that even in the toughest times, the light of compassion can turn any Christmas into a season of hope and joy.